This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given an integer n as input and our task is to find the nth term in the series. So for this question, this is the given series. So first let us see how this series works. So the first term of the series will always be 0 and the second term will be 1. So from third term onwards we will be applying the logic. So the third term will be nothing but the previous term into 2 plus 2. So the previous term is 1. So 1 into 2 plus 2, that will be the third term. So 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 plus 2 we get 4. So this is the third term. And now the fourth term will be nothing but again previous term into 2 plus 1. So the previous term is 4. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 plus 1 we get 9. So 9 will be the fourth term in the given series. And then in order to find the fifth term, previous term into 2 plus 2. So the previous term is 9. So 9 into 2 is 18 and again plus 2. So 18 plus 2 we will be getting 20. So this is the fifth term. So this is how the series is formed. So previous term into 2 plus 2 and then previous term into 2 plus 1. So like this plus 2 plus 1. So this will be varying for every term. So like this the series goes on. So now 20 into 2 and now we have to do plus 1 because previously we did plus 2. So 20 into 2 is 40. So 40 plus 1 we get 41. And then now we have did plus 1. Next we have to do plus 2. So 41 into 2 plus 2. So 82 plus 2 we get 84. So the series goes on like this. So now our task is to find the nth term. So here the value of n is equal to 4. So the fourth term in the given series is 9. So we have to print 9 in our output. So now let us see how to write a C program for this given series. So first I am creating a new integer n and using a scanf I am accepting the value of n and then I am creating an array named arr of size n and the data type of this array is long. So the first two terms of the series will always be 0 and 1. So I am setting arr of 0 is equal to 0 and arr of 1 is equal to 1. So for all the remaining terms we are going to implement the logic. So I am creating a loop that iterates from I is equal to 2 till I less than n. So now we are going to find the terms of the series. So in every iteration we will be storing the series into index arr of I. So the logic is nothing but previous term into 2 plus either 2 or 1. So we will be storing the value of either 2 or 1 in this variable named val. So based upon the value of I, we will be storing either 2 or 1 into this integer variable named val. So if I mod 2 is equal to 0, then we will be storing 2, else we will be storing 1. So the value will be stored alternatively. So in the first iteration we will store 2 and the next iteration it will store 1 and again it will store 2, 1. So like that it will go on. So finally after the execution of the loop we would have found the series and the series will be present in the array arr. So finally using a printf statement we have to print the nth term in the series. Since we have stored from the 0, the required output will be present at the index n minus 1. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.